In this video, I will show you which one of these products cleans a nasty dirt bike air filter the best. You can get these products at Walmart and Dollar General on average for $10.50. But first, let's back up and show you how I currently clean my air filters. This is my setup, 5-gallon buckets with dirt trap inserts. This is mineral spirits. It's nasty. It's 7 months old and I have cleaned 3 batches of dirty filters with this. About 20 filters at a time. It breaks down the oil, then I rinse it off in another bucket with a bit of Dawn dish soap. It gets the job done. But enough of this, let's get started with the test. Now the process I will be using for this test, I will soak the filter in the solution for 1 minute and then flip it over and soak it for another minute. In the solution, I will agitate it for another minute, trying to break down the oil. Then the last step is I will rinse it off in a 5-gallon bucket with warm water and a bit of Dawn dish soap for another minute. Let's go. First one up, super clean. It claims to dissolve grease, super easy, super fast. We're gonna find out. We're gonna soak it face down for 1 minute, flip it, facing up for 1 minute. Now we agitate it. Seems to be working pretty well. Now let's rinse it off. Here are the results. It did okay. If I had ran out of mineral spirits, I'd probably use this, but right now my 8-month-old mineral spirits did a little bit better than super. Next up is Purple Power. It is concentrated industrial strength cleaner and degreaser. We'll let it soak face down for 1 minute, turn it over and let it sit for another minute. Now let's agitate it for a whole minute. I don't think the Purple Power is breaking down the oil very well. I can still feel it on my fingertips. It's not doing so well. Let's rinse it off and take a closer look. Purple Power did not cut it. It's done the worst so far. Next up is Mineral Spirits. It is ultra low odor for interior jobs. It thins oil-based paints and cleans brushes and equipment. Let's see for ourselves. Let's soak it face down for 1 minute. Turn it over, let it sit for another minute. Now let's agitate it for 1 whole minute. Now I can immediately feel all the oil being broken down. There is 0 oily residue on my fingers. Let's rinse it off and take a closer look. By far, this one has done the best out of the 3. And our last one, Ellie's Totally Awesome All-Purpose Concentrated Cleaner Degreaser Spot Remover. Cleans everything washable, spray on, wipe off. We'll see about that. Soak it face down for 1 minute. Turn it over and let it sit for a bit. Now let's agitate it. The awesome solution is not doing great against breaking down the oil. Let's rinse it off and take a closer look. Not good. Not good at all. Now, let's rank them, starting with this awesome one. Last, 4th place. It has a significant amount of oil still left on the air filter, both on the outside and on the inside. 4th place, solid 4th place. It's not moving. Mineral Spirits, solid 1st place, and I will continue to use this until I find something better. Purple Power, not the worst one, but not better than the Mineral Spirits or the Super Clean. So 3rd place, Super Clean. 2nd place. If I didn't have mineral spirits in the garage, I would definitely go and search for some super clean. In the end, I'm sticking with mineral spirits because it's cheap, I can reuse it over and over again, and it hasn't failed me yet. Now before I go, take a look at all the sediment in this container. This is one of the reasons why I use a dirt trap insert to make sure that when I am washing filters, the filter is up off of the bottom of the bucket so we can let some of that sediment stay down there and it's not continuously being jolted around into the air filters. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys on the next one.